Dashavatar is a collective noun used for the 10 avatars, that is, the incarnations of Lord Vishnu on the earth. Dasha means 10 and avatar means incarnation. The 4 of them took place in the Satyayug, 3 in Treta Yuga, 1 in Dwapar Yuga, 1 in Kali Yuga, and 1 is yet to take place in Kali Yuga. There are believed to be a total of 24 avatars of Lord Vishnu, but these 10 are principal incarnations and are more popular than others. Matsya is the half fish, a half human avatar of Vishnu. Matsya avatar of Vishnu is depicted as a 4-armed figure with the top half of a man and the bottom half of a fish. According to Matsya Puran, Matsya tells Manu about the great flood and helps him save all the living beings, the Vedas, and the seeds of all plants. Once Manu was washing his hands in a river. A little fish swam into his hands and asked him to save its life. Manu put the fish in a jar, but it soon outgrew the jar. He then put it to a larger water body, but the fish outgrew that too. No matter where Manu put the fish, it kept growing bigger and bigger. The fish then revealed itself to be Lord Vishnu as a Matsya avatar. The first avatar of Vishnu told Manu that a great flood was coming that would destroy all life on earth. He helped Manu to save all the plants and animals. Kurma is the second avatar of Vishnu in a half tortoise, half man form. During the churning of the ocean, that is the Samudra Manthan, he balances Mount Mandar on his shell to assist the gods and the asuras in the churning process. During Samudra Manthan, Vishnu also took a female avatar, Mohini, to distribute the Amrit, the nectar of immortality. As Mohini and Kurma avatars, Lord Vishnu plays a very important role in ending the hundreds of years of conflict between gods and asuras. According to Kurma Puran, the Kurma avatar of Vishnu supports the weight of the cosmos on his back. Varaha is the half man and half boar avatar of Vishnu. Hiranyaksh kidnaps Bhudevi, the personification of the earth, and submerges her in the cosmic ocean. Varaha fights the Hiranyaksh for 1,000 years, kills him, and saves Bhudevi. In his third avatar, Lord Vishnu restores Bhudevi back to the surface from a submerged state using his tusks. Varaha restored life on the earth, as Vishnu is the sustainer of the universe. Narsimha is the half lion and half human avatar of Lord Vishnu. Vishnu took his fourth avatar to end the kingdom of the Asura king Hiranyakashap and establish peace, order, and righteousness on earth. Hiranyakashap, also known as Hiranyakashipu, wanted to kill his own son Prahlad, a devotee of Vishnu. He had already tried multiple ways to kill him, but every attempt failed due to the power of devotion. He also lost his sister Holika in one of his failed attempts. Since Hiranyakashipu was blessed with boons by Lord Brahma, Vishnu waited for the right moment to take the half-human and half-lion avatar and kill him. The fifth avatar of Lord Vishnu, Vamana, was a dwarf Brahmin. This Vishnu avatar comes to check the growing power of the Asura king Mahabali. In his Vaman avatar, Vishnu attended the yajna organized by King Mahabali, who was well known for his generosity. The king welcomed Vamana and honored him by offering him anything he desired. Brahmins were always held in high regard and were never turned away during those times. Vamana only requested 3 paces of land. King Mahabali was surprised and asked Vamana to ask for more, but Lord Vamana refused to ask more. Mahabali granted the request, and the dwarf avatar of Vishnu transformed into a giant form to take everything in the universe in 3 steps. Mahabali immediately surrendered to Lord Vamana after witnessing his real image. Due to his devotion, he was given Patal Lok and Dev Lok was given back to Lord Indra. The 6th avatar of Lord Vishnu, Parshuram, is depicted as a sage with an axe in his hand. He was born to end the evil Kshatriyas, who misused their powers, made others' lives miserable. Lord Parshuram was a Brahmin by birth. Being a son of sage Jamdagni, he was born in the Treta Yuga, and it is believed he will appear again in the Kali Yuga to guide the Kalki avatar of Vishnu. According to Puranas, Parshuram is one of the Chiranjeevis, that is, the immortal one. Lord Ram is one of the most significant and powerful deities of Hindu Dharma and the lead character of the Ramayana. He kills Ravan to end his rule and liberate goddess Sita, whom Ravan had abducted. During the Treta Yuga, Ravan received a boon from Lord Brahma, making him very powerful and aggressive against demigods. He took control of Navagrahas and Devloka. To stop him, Vishnu took the Ram avatar to establish righteousness. The seventh avatar of Vishnu, Ram, was born in Ayodhya, the capital of the Kosala kingdom. He was married to Sita, the daughter of King Janaka. Lord Krishna is the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu. He is known for ending the kingdom of his maternal uncle Kamsa and his role as the advisor of the Pandavas and the charioteer and guide of Arjun in Mahabharata. Lord Krishna and his brother Lord Ram played a sustainer role during Dwapar Yuga. Lord Krishna played the role of a guru and helped Arjun win the great war of Kurukshetra and re-establish Dharma. Lord Balaram did not directly participate in the Mahabharata war, but he taught mace fighting to Bhim and Duryodhan. Siddhartha Gautam, later known as Gautam Buddha, is the ninth avatar of Vishnu. He left his family and all material possessions in search of enlightenment. He founded Buddhism and taught people ways to end all kinds of suffering through the Noble Eightfold Paths. Kalki is the only avatar of Vishnu that is yet to be born. He will end all evil by defeating the demon Kali and starting a new Satya Yuga or Kalki Yuga. Asura Kalki is all the negative emotions and elements personified into one. Kalki is depicted as a warrior riding a white horse and holding a shining sword. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such content.